If you've lost access to your CalyxOS account and don't have your phone number, you can still recover your account by following these steps. This guide will walk you through the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the recovery page. Go to the official CalyxOS recovery page on our website. This page is specifically designed to help users regain access to their accounts. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. Once on the recovery page, look for the Forgot Password option. Click on it to initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROOK to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a recovery email from CalyxOS. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password or recover your account. Step 5. Update your account information. Once you've regained access to your account, consider updating your recovery options. Add an alternative email or recovery questions to prevent future issues. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your CalyxOS account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to CalyxOS support for further assistance.